class students, this is your unit 6 construction 6 exercise 6.1 fourth question. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeter and altitude is 4 centimeter, and then another triangle whose sides are 1 by 2 times 1 by 2 means 2 on the 2 plus 1 3 by 2, it is 3 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. Give the justification also. Okay, this means you have to, one triangle is given and another you have to draw the similar triangle. Here for construction, let us assume that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle having CA and CB of equal length. It means they are having equal length. Base AB of 8 centimeter and AD is the altitude of 4 centimeter. What is given? This is given, and we have to a triangle A B dash C whose sides are 3 by 2 times triangle ABC can be drawn as follows. For this, construction is given. This is AB. We have drawn already. AB is equal to 8 centimeter. And then what you have to do? Take 3 by 4th of AB. Taking A as center and B as center with the same radius, 3 by 4, 3/4 of this. On both the sides, we are cutting the arc from this. This is as, take this as O and this is O dash. Join these two and this, name this as O and this is O dash. This is O dash. See here, this is O dash, and take 4 centimeter altitude. 4 centimeter altitude. Here we have taken 4 centimeter from this D point. This is point D. We have taken from D. We are cutting here 4 centimeter. This is C. Join AC and CB. Join AC and BC and then draw an acute angle AX ray. This is AX. Now we are dividing it into 3 equal parts because 3 is greater. Therefore, we are dividing this into 3 equal parts. First one, second one, and this is third one. This is A1, A2 and A3. Now we are joining A2 and B. Now we are taking same, we are drawing parallel to this line, therefore we are taking the same thing what we have done in previous questions. Arc of equal length from here also, and then measure these two, then draw from this. Now join A3 through this at the extended line on this. Now this is B dash. We have already drawn. Similar to this, we are drawing. We are taking the angle from this also. With the same radius, we are cutting here. And then measure these two, this point and this point, this distance, and we are cutting the arc from here. Extend this AC and join these two. Now see, we had drawn already the B dash to C dash, B dash to, this is B dash to C dash. We have already joined B dash and C dash. This is the required triangle. And now for justification, what we have done is here we have already drawn the line segment AB 8 cm and bisector of the AB by taking more than half from point A and point B, and O dash are the by arcs intersecting at O dash, and we are joining O dash, and O dash is intersecting AB at D, point D. Taking D as center, draw an arc of 4 cm, that is altitude, and then triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with base 8 cm and altitude 4 cm is drawn. Now draw AX making an acute angle with line segment AB on the opposite side of the vertex C. Locate 3 points as we had drawn, A1, A2, A3, such that A1 is equal to A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3. Okay. Now A3 is, now join BA2 and join BA2 and draw a line through A3 parallel to BA2 to intersect extended line segment AB at point B dash, and then draw a line through B dash parallel to BC intersecting the extended line segment AC at C dash. Then the required triangle is AB dash C dash. We got justification. For justification, angle ABC is equal to angle AB dash C dash because they are corresponding angles. See this one, they are corresponding angles. ABC is equal to A dash B dash C dash because these two are parallel lines, therefore these two are corresponding angles, and this angle is common for both the things, therefore these two triangles are similar by A criteria, and when these two triangles are similar by either Thales theorem or by BPT theorem, B dash by AB is equal to B dash C dash by BC is equal to AC dash by AC. This is equation 1, and in triangle A, in these two triangles A to B and A3 B dash, in these two triangles these two angles are similar, and therefore this angle is common, therefore these two triangles are also similar. Here also same thing, and therefore this is AB by B dash is equal to A2 by A3. This is equal to, this implies these two, see this one, these two are the two parts and this is one part, and AB by AB dash by AB, that is A3 by A2. This is equal to 2 by 3, therefore from 1 and 2 we are getting, from 1 and 2 we are getting B dash by AB is equal to B dash C divided by BC is equal to AC dash by AC is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, AB dash is equal to 3 by 2 of AB by comparing these two. By comparing these two and by comparing these two, all you are getting. B dash is equal to 3 by 2 of AB, B dash C dash is equal to 3 by 2 of BC, AC dash is equal to 3 by 2 of AC. This justifies the construction. Thank you. Have a nice day.